I would like to quickly point out that John the Mouse Video has a large selection of videos from North and South America for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the cheese of the matter.
This is a 1939 Mack BX. The BX was the largest of the early B series of Mack trucks. It has a 519 cubic inch gas engine with overhead valves. It has 128 horsepower and the transmission is a 5-speed. In 1939, that was the first year for the 519 cubic inch engine. The same engine block was later used for the first Mack diesel engine. This one does not have a sleeper, but the BX was the first Mack to offer sleepers as an option. There are 4-wheel brakes on this truck. The first owner was George Atwell Foundation Company of New York City. The truck was used to haul steel beams and other supplies during the construction of Radio City Music Hall in New York City. It was restored by Tom Spencer in 1995. The original top speed was 35 miles per hour, but with some gearing changes it could go over 50 miles per hour. The extra speed, along with the sleeper, made this a good truck for cross-country hauling. Mack made the BX model from 1932 to 1940, and 15,000 of them were built.
John the Mouse Travel Map is available for Google Maps. It will help plan your route to the locations of your favorite videos. It is free to use. I have the link below. Please visit the playlist tab for videos that I have sorted for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button